Welcome to Educadoo, the all-in-one solution for seamless school management. Simplify tasks like tracking student details, updating attendance, managing exams, and fee payments. Streamline staff management, from updating salary records to assigning subjects, all in just a few clicks. Easily create timetables and organize transportation with real-time updates. Join over 20 schools already trusting Educadoo for efficiency, transparency, and peace of mind. Educadoo, where education meets innovation. Welcome to Educadoo today. We are focusing on two important features, academic sessions and academic terms. Then go to the configuration menu, where you can set up your school's academic structure with ease. First, let's talk about academic sessions. An academic session represents a full academic year, whether it's 2023, 2024, or beyond. This feature allows schools to organize all educational activities within a specific time frame, ensuring data is clearly separated year by year. In Educadoo, adding an academic session is simple. Just click on Create, input the relevant year. You can mark a session as the current one by selecting the Is Current Session checkbox, making it the active session. If the Is Current Year checkbox is also checked, that session will be shown at login, and even if two current sessions are created, only one will be considered active. The selected year will also be used in exams. Then save it and run if the academic year as currently followed. If the academic year was completed, then change the status as done. Now, all student details, attendance, exams, and fee management will be linked to this particular academic period. Then next is academic term. Academic terms are critical for organizing exams, reports, and student progress. They allow you to break the academic year into manageable sections. In Educadoo, you can easily assign terms to each session by clicking Create, label them as Term 1, Term 2, or whatever your school prefers. By setting up academic terms, you streamline the exam process. To recap, setting up academic sessions defines the scope of the school year, while adding academic terms allows you to break it down into specific periods. Educadoo makes this entire process quick and intuitive. With just a few clicks, you're ready to manage your school year with ease. Educadoo is here to support your school's unique academic structure, keeping everything organized and ready for success. The Class Management section in Educadoo. Here, you can effortlessly manage every aspect of your class structure, student details, and staff assignments. As you can see, the class information here is carried over from previous academic sessions, making it easy to transition between school years without losing any important data. If your school is adding new classes for the current academic session, simply click on the Create button. This allows you to set up new classes. In this section, you can easily manage different sections of the class and even set up the class's working days to match your school's schedule. Educadoo provides powerful tools to manage all administrative tasks. Here, you can quickly assign the fee structure for the class, print verification forms, and even handle student migration, promotion, and transfers with just a click. Also arrange the class sequence, just click and drag up and down. Next is the overview of section. Then go to the configuration menu where you can set up sections. For instance, Class 1 has different groups such as Daisy, Jasmine, Lily, and more, each managed by their respective class in charge. For every section, Educadoo tracks the strength of the class, divided into the number of boys and girls, along with details like the head boy, head girl, and the current academic session. Additionally, Educadoo lets you easily manage the syllabus for each class, ensuring that teachers and students are aligned with the course structure for the academic year. Once you've created a class, you can organize it into sections. In this case, we are looking at the Jasmine section of Class 1, where you can manage all relevant details, including the syllabus, report card template, and the assigned class in charge. Each section has its unique setup. For example, Amandeep Kaur is the class in charge for Jasmine, and the student strength is recorded as 38, with 22 boys and 16 girls. You can also assign head boy and head girl roles. Educadoo makes managing sections intuitive. You can easily update the class strength if new students join and generate report cards, roll number assigner, optional subject assigner, and student migration with a single click. Below, you have a detailed list of all the students in the Jasmine section, complete with roll numbers, admission numbers, and attendance records. You can also mark their activity status right here. And also view TC while clicking the View TC button. If want to create a new section, click on Create button and enter the section name, class, syllabus, and save it. By structuring your classes and sections and utilizing Educadoo's features, you can manage everything from student performance to teacher assignments in a highly organized manner. Educadoo is designed to make school management efficient and intuitive. Create sections, assign staff, and manage student records effortlessly. Educadoo, your school's success starts here.